Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty with xking.com. Hit you with another video, and today I'm doing Acorns. I discovered this app maybe last week, well, almost 2 weeks ago, and I've been doing a lot of research on it, and I fell in love with it so far. It's a really good investment app, and I'm an online marketer who wants to make money online, and I chose Acorns over Stash and Robinhood, which they're good apps, but I like the more passive approach because you want passive income. You want income coming in when you're not, there. You want money coming in where you're not even doing anything. So that's why I fell in love with the app from the beginning. And as you can see here in my investment account, I have $42.83. And how much money that I put in here of my own money, like I put a withdrawal by deposit, it's zero. I put nothing in here, like my own money. All this, the $42.83 came from roundups, from purchases I've made. Now, I first opened the account, it takes 3 days to get open. Acorns asked me, hey, we have some past roundups you can use from like last month. So I was doing roundups from stuff I bought last month. That took about 3 days to really get in there, but I did all those, and I was already, because some stuff was 13 cents, 16 cents, a dollar. I mean, I didn't really care about that stuff. What's $5? And I bought gas, bought food, bought my usual stuff, and every day I get more money in this account, $42.83 in this account. So this account is very passive because I didn't really add the money myself. Nothing has changed. I'm just buying what I'm usually buy. So I love the roundups part of it. It makes investing way easier. But so far, I'm on the moderate plan right now. Just want to try to moderate, see how it is. I did lose some money. Already I'm negative 24 cents. And if we go to the past, I am down 24 cents. So I totally invested $40.07. No dividends paid yet, and I lost 24 cents, okay, which is fine. I have $25 you see pending in my account right now. So that'll be in there by probably Monday or probably Tuesday, $25 my own money. And I'm gonna go ahead, 24 cents, that's a quarter, not bad. This will go up and down, okay? So the key is to keep on doing it. Okay, so I love the app so far. If you want passive, to make money passively, you want to build. See, saving money is hard because you gotta wait till you get paid. You have to go online from your phone or laptop. You gotta put it how much money you want to take out your account to put another account, which could be pain sometimes. This right here, I don't have to do that. This right here. My lifestyle don't even change. I don't even think about it. When I'm paying for stuff and I see it's $13.85, 15 cents going to this Acorns account, I'm liking that because that adds up over time. And usually I've stopped using cash because I use cash and I get change and I throw it in the coin jar in my car, and it's been sitting there for years. It could be making me money right now if I didn't get cash. So you gotta put it in those terms as well. So here's my potential. If I do $35 a week, I'm 32 now. So at 42, 10 years, I will have $29.9 in my account. That's not including roundups. Okay, that's just what I have the account right now, plus $35 a week. So with the roundups, now I buy gas, food, movies, whatever. I'm thinking with $29.9, that number could be $35,000 in 10 years. So it's okay in 10 years. Okay, that's fine. But I don't really want to crank it out. I can really do some more roundups, like multipliers, put more change into this. But I have a 5-year plan. I want a 1-year plan. I want to see 1 year from today how much money I'll make if I put $25. I want to do. Some YouTubers do this. They do. When I'm 76, I'll have 400 grand. That's great. I'm happy for you, but that's 40 years from now. A lot can happen in 40 years. So this Acorns will go out of business. You don't know. So I understand that. That's cool. It's hustle. But you should do like a 1 year plan, a 3 year plan, a 5 year plan, and max a 10 year plan. You should keep it in perspective because life changes quick. You know, these days, the years go fast every year. Year after year, it gets faster and faster and faster. So I want to do 1 year. What can I make in one? I gotta get it way down here. Well, let's do 1 year. I'll get 2,300. If I did $35 a week, that's not including my roundups. So you're talking about I get roundups every week. You're talking about that maybe like $3,000. That's some good money. So if I do, let's do at 40, which would be, let's do 37, because that'd be 5 years from now. I make 12,800, okay? With roundups, I'm thinking, maybe 14,000. Okay, I got $42 in 1 week with Acorns. So I'm trying to lowball it some, probably 14,000 if I'm 37. Is that good money? Yeah, it's real good money. That's really, really good money. So, and then I could do 150. When I'm 50 years old, I have 70K. 70K. Talk about another, 18 years. I'll be 50. Well, roundups, that number should be 100K. So at 50, I have 100K. That's a lot of money with roundups. And what? Yeah, 8 is 4. Yeah, in 18 years, that should be 100K easy. With roundups, 80K. I did $42 in 1 week. And I got the pot $25 today. So yeah, that should be 100K. Well, that's a good. That's reasonable. I don't mind that. I don't mind. Okay, I was saying $20 a week plus roundups. I could have 100K in 18 years. That's not bad. Because this is all working in the background. This is all, I'm doing other things. I'm doing the blog, YouTube channel, make money online stuff, an online business, buying stocks besides this app. Some other things besides Acorns. So the money will keep on rolling in. Okay, so that's it for my videos. I'm going to give you guys a little glimpse. I seen videos where oh man, I'm 105 years old. I'll be a millionaire. I'm not trying to wait till I'm 75 to enjoy money. I'm trying to enjoy money in the next 10 years, the next 15 years. The next 10 years. How much money can I make in 10 years? That's what I want. I want a 5-year plan. I want a 3-year plan. Yeah, it's short term, but if you trick it up a little bit, you put some money inside every week, plus your roundups. When you get your tax return, you get tax return, you put a little bit of that in your Acorns account. You get a little bonus, a little raise, do a little side job, do a little Uber, throw $10, $20 in there also. That 10K, you can make 10K in 3 years. Now, is that good money? Hell yeah, it's good money. If you're doing other things on the side as well, another business on the side, and you do another side hustle, and you work full-time somewhere else, you can make some good money on the side. So I love the Acorns app. The $42.83 is all roundups. I got 38 cents found money. And that's another thing I didn't include the found money. I made 38 cents. If I go to Chevron, I'm going to get another 50 cents. If I go to Big Lots online, I get another, dollar, maybe $2. So that adds up over time as well. Sam's Club, I go to Sam's Club, that adds up too. So you got to factor all these things in while you're doing this. Okay, so again, my 3-year window, I want to make 10K. I want to make 10K, but you got to figure out the numbers, what you can put in every week, check your roundups, your side jobs, your found money can help also. So use your found money also to contribute to this thing and keep the ball rolling. TyForTheSKing.com. I'm gonna do more review videos of Acorns. If you want to join Acorns today, if you get a free $5, I also get a $5. The link below for that. Click on that. Sign up. You will need a Social Security number to just give you a heads up. You need a Social Security number to get set up. It takes about 5 days for everything to be set up, ready to go. Don't take long at all. Set it up one day, let it sit, and keep on moving. TyForTheSKing.com. Thanks for watching.